Okay, so it's only October, so it's possibly a little too early, but I am calling it, I found my Christmas Day outfit. If you've been following us for a few years, you will know that one thing we do here is we love Christmas Day outfits. And once it gets to this time of year, we start talking about them. And we also make sure when we're buying and bringing stuff into the shop, into online, that we've got Christmas outfits ready, because I love a Christmas Day look. Absolutely love it. So this is a new dress we've got in from Soul Sparrow that I just love. I love the length on it. It is absolutely amazing. It is just perfect on the sides, everything like that. And then I've got the new Believe slides from Chrissie that have come in. Look at those. Anyway, they're gonna go live in the next couple of days, but they are just beautiful on. So really padded, the softest, creamiest leather. And by creamiest, I mean the feel of it. It just feels great on my foot. It doesn't have any pressure. It's got a molded footbed. I'm feeling super happy. And I just love this. I'd add a nice big red earring and I'm good to go for Christmas. But one thing I do love is I've actually bought a few Christmas dresses in the past and they're so Christmassy, I struggle to wear them the rest of the year. Whereas this for me would just be a beautiful summer dress that I could wear all year round, denim jacket in winter. Anyway, maybe a little too green for some, not green, too green for me.